Kenmore washer complaint. Washer is not operative in spin cycle. Makes noise during spin. Probable cause would be the drive system is compromised due to the age and design of this particular front loader. This design is one of the original front loader designs for all existing front loaders. So there's a chance that the parts are no longer available, or there's a chance that the parts are priced to where the repair would not be reasonable. Observation: manual dial tests good. Switchology tests good. Dispenser door checks good. Water valve checks good. Motor control board motor checks good. Pressure switch checks good. RPM and wash cycle checks good. This design has a 3-phase motor in which one of the phase changes and it switches direction. 3-phase motor checks good via the electronic motor control board. Advanced cycle to pump out, verify pump. Drain pump, sounds good. Volume of water exiting washing machine, excellent. Pump strong, pump is good. RPM. This design RPM starts at 200, then to 400, 600, and at 900 RPMs for less than 15 seconds. Timer advancing. Mechanical timer. Independent motor for timer cams to advance. Can hear dry bearings. Electrical system as of now, all checks good. Observing drive system, mechanical system. RPMs about 200 RPMs. The standard pump out for this design is anywhere from 6 minutes to 12 minutes. Time start. RPMs now approaching 400 RPMs. Motor control board. Communications with motor to motor control board checks good. RPMs reaching 600 RPMs. At this time, can hear rear bearings play between outer shell and drum. Knocking sound, probable cause, drum or rear bearing shell. It appears that washer has a bad drum, has severed from the spider arm in connection to the rear bearing shell. That was approaching 600 RPMs to 900 RPMs at its highest approach of RPMs. Wax motor takes 45 seconds to cool down before door lock will release. In high spin, drum became erratic. Rear bearings sound good. There is an issue with the struts. A lot of play in the drum. Probable cause are damaged struts. Accessing bottom panel to check for struts. Right strut secure. It looks normal. Left strut secure. internal drum gets erratic and high RPMs. Can hear drum is compromised in the wells, joint wells here. You can see that it's bent. And divot and bends and creases. Kenmore front loader complaint, washer not working properly, makes loud noise in spin. Discovered bad internal drum. The arc weld is compromised. Right through here. More on this well than the other two. Contact parts. Get a price of cost of parts, labor, and service. Determine if it's going to be worth repairing or if it will have to be replaced. Cost would exceed close to 3/4 the cost new. Bad drum. Estimate repair costs 3/4 the cost new. Check on parts availability. Determine if it's going to be worth repairing. If it is repaired, it would be from out of convenience purposes only. All other components checked good. Drive system compromised. Front load washer, contact parts discovered, drum retails at $500. Part is retailed out of reasonable and normal repair costs. Would have to recommend at this time replacement due to repair would be more than 3/3 the cost new, comparable to today's prices.